Welcome to your Outgrow brand kit setup. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to upload your logo, choose fonts, and define colors that will be applied automatically across all interactive content you build, ensuring a seamless on-brand experience. Step 1. Access the brand kit section. Log in to your Outgrow account and open the content builder by selecting the content you wish to modify from your dashboard. Navigate to the Overall Design tab. You'll see options for logos, colors, and fonts clearly displayed. Step 2, upload your logo. In the Overall Design interface, locate the Logo section. Click Upload Logo, browse your computer to select your logo file. Preview the logo as it appears on your Experiences header and intro screens. Choose the orientation as well, using which the logo will be displayed. If you want the logo to be clickable, specify the go-to URL as well. You can also select the pages on which the logo will be displayed using the Visibility Confirmation dropdown. Save changes once you are satisfied with the appearance. Step 3. Set your brand colors. In the Colors tab, you'll see options for background, question, answer, and components colors. You can manually enter your brand's hex codes, use the color picker, or input the RGB, HSL, and hexadecimal value. Step 4, select your fonts. Move to the Fonts section within the brand kit. Click the Font option under the Heading section to change the heading font. Choose any font from Outgrow's library. To use a different font for the body text, select a font under the Text section. Preview changes immediately in sample content panes. Step 5, apply and preview your branding. After saving logos, fonts, and colors, preview the branding across various Outgrow templates. Use the preview feature to check all screens, welcome page, questions, and results. If adjustments are needed, return to Brand Kit and edit. Step 6, finalize and update. After ensuring everything looks right across all screens, click Go Live to make your updates live. Tips: use high-resolution logos for best results. Keep hex codes handy for your official brand colors. Preview on both desktop and phone layouts for visual consistency. Your Outgrow brand kit is now ready, ensuring every interactive experience matches your professional brand identity and increases user trust and engagement. Sign up for Outgrow's free trial today.